FLIR's E5-XT infrared camera with MSX is a powerful thermal imaging tool for troubleshooting electrical, mechanical, and building problems. With an extended temperature range up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, the FLIR E5-XT is more accurate when troubleshooting problem areas that are particularly hot. A workhorse test device, the E5-XT is equipped with professional features like hot and cold spot measuring and emissivity controls. Accurate within 2%, the E5-XT offers exceptional clarity in the touch of a button. Enhanced with MSX image technology, FLIR's E5-XT can capture key visible light details and add them to the infrared image in real time. This all-in-one camera solution allows users to instantly recognize what they have been looking at and easily identify problem areas. Additional features include a focus-free camera with 45° by 34° field of view, a USB interface for data transfer, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an IP54 rating. To learn more about the FLIR E5-XT and other FLIR devices, visit galco.com.